In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your microphone not working on WhatsApp from your iPhone. So if you're having any kind of microphone issues in WhatsApp, then there's actually a couple of things we can do to go and fix this. Now, the first step is just to open up the settings application on your phone, and then we're going to scroll right down to the bottom here and click on apps. Now, scroll down again until you see the WhatsApp application, and then just click on it like so. Once you're on WhatsApp, we need to make sure the microphone here is turned on and enabled. So if it's currently turned off, this will be the reason why WhatsApp's not working. So just make sure this is turned on. Now, if your microphone section is grayed out and it won't let you turn it on, then to go and fix this, we can just come back over to the previous settings page. We're going to scroll up and click on screen time, then scroll down and click on content and privacy restrictions, and just make sure that content and privacy restrictions is turned off and disabled. Or alternatively, if you do want to keep this on, you can just scroll down to microphone and click on this, and just make sure that WhatsApp is turned on and enabled at the bottom here. But I'm just going to turn off content and privacy restrictions as I don't need it on my phone. And then you can come back over to the apps at the bottom of the settings page, scroll right down to the bottom again and click on WhatsApp. And then just like before, make sure microphone is turned on and enabled. Now, once you've done this, you can try loading up WhatsApp, and that should have now solved your voice chat issue. If the microphone's still not working, then it could just be a small technical glitch with your iPhone. So what you can try doing is just performing a soft reset on your phone by pressing down the volume up button, the volume down button, and then holding down the lock screen button on the right hand side. So I'm going to do this with you now. I'm going to press the volume up, press the volume down, and then hold down this lock screen button on the right hand side of your iPhone. And you need to keep holding this down until eventually your iPhone powers off. And then once your iPhone turns off, eventually the Apple logo will appear, and then you can go and release this button. And then once the button's released, you can then just launch back up WhatsApp and check to see if your microphone's now working. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.